There's something powerful about a woman who knows exactly how she wants to show up in the world. Her hair isn't just styled, it's a statement. And in 2026, braids are having a moment unlike anything we've seen before. If you're a Black woman looking for hairstyles that turn heads, protect your natural hair, and make you feel like the best version of yourself, you're in exactly the right place. Let's talk about cornrows first, because they never really left. They just keep evolving. This year, it's all about precision. Clean, sharp parts. Geometric patterns that almost look like art on the scalp. Whether you're going for a sleek, all-back style or something more intricate with curves and swirls, cornrows are proving once again why they've been a staple for generations. They're versatile enough for the office, elegant enough for a night out, and low maintenance enough for everyday life. And if you're someone juggling a busy schedule, that's everything. Now let's move into something a little more textured, Brazilian wool styles. If you haven't tried this yet, 2026 is the year to start. There's a richness to the look, a fullness that regular braiding hair just doesn't give you. It photographs beautifully, it holds shape for weeks, and honestly, it just feels luxurious. Think of it as an upgrade, the kind of style that makes people stop and ask where you got your hair done. Pair it with gold jewelry, a great outfit, and you've got a whole look, not just a hairstyle. For the girls heading back to school or moms getting their daughters ready for a new year, protective styles are non-negotiable. Box braids remain a timeless choice, durable, easy to manage, and kind to your edges. But this year we're seeing smaller, more delicate braids paired with fun accessories. Beads, cuffs, colorful thread wrapped in for a little personality. It's a beautiful way to keep hair protected while still letting individuality shine through. Because getting ready for school or for life should feel exciting, not stressful. And can we talk about natural hair for a moment? There's a shift happening. More women are embracing braid styles that work with their natural texture instead of fighting against it. Twist outs incorporated into braided looks, Bantu knots styled alongside cornrow patterns. It's less about conforming to one standard of beauty and more about celebrating the versatility that Black hair naturally has. That's really what 2026 is about. Options, individuality, and confidence. If you're someone who loves switching up your look often, braids give you that freedom. You can go bold with color, burgundy, honey blonde, even soft pastel tones woven into your braids for something unexpected. Or you can keep it classic with jet black, which honestly never goes out of style. The beauty of braiding is that it adapts to you. It's not about following one trend blindly, it's about finding what makes you feel most like yourself. Length is another thing worth mentioning. Waist-length braids are still incredibly popular, giving that dramatic, flowing movement. But shorter, chin-length or shoulder-length braids are becoming just as desirable. Easier to maintain, lighter on the scalp, and honestly, just as stunning. There's no wrong length. It's about what fits your lifestyle and what makes you feel confident when you look in the mirror. One thing I always remind my community, protective styling isn't just about looking good. It's about caring for your hair long term. Braids give your natural hair a break from daily manipulation, heat, and stress. But that only works if you're taking care of your scalp underneath. Keep it moisturized, don't leave braids in too long, treat your hairline gently. Beautiful hair on the outside starts with healthy habits underneath. Now, if you love this kind of content, if you want more guidance on finding styles that suit your face shape, your lifestyle, and your personal aesthetic, I've put together something special for you. My complete styling guide is linked below, packed with inspiration, tips, and everything you need to elevate your hair game this year. It's designed for women who want more than just a hairstyle, women who want a whole look, a whole vibe. Go check it out. The link is right there in the description. Before you go, I want you to remember something. Your hair is one of the most powerful tools you have for self-expression. It's not vanity, it's identity. Every braid pattern, every color choice, every length you pick tells a story about who you are and how you want to be seen. So whether you're keeping it simple with cornrows, going bold with Brazilian wool, or celebrating your natural texture, wear it with pride. If this video inspired you, make sure you're subscribed because I've got so much more coming. New styles, new tutorials, new inspiration every single week. Drop a comment and tell me which style caught your eye the most. I read every single one, and I love seeing which looks resonate with you. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. Take care of your hair, take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.
Shoeless braids, where the magic starts. Healing crowns and happy hearts. Every twist, every line so neat. Confidence rising from your head to your feet. Gentle hands with a golden touch. Turning simple styles into something so lush. When you sit in my chair, just relax and see the queen you were born to be. From edges laid to braids that flow.